Hello, hello. Back with part 2 of my 13th order with Kawaii Komet. Yes, I said 13. I started my scooping obsession with her shop. Actually was the first order that I actually received, and it just continued. We became fantastic friends, and I just absolutely adore her. That was a free gift. This was a 2 scoop order, and I had ordered the Pokemon bundle. That was something new, so whenever there's something new, I always like to try it out and see what we get. So that other postage also was part of this order. I ordered everything together. So let's see all of the goodies we have in here. My favorite, little Miss Miffy. Cute little coin purse, very velvety soft. Oh, look at this one. It has a little pearl handle. Oh, I love that. Very sweet. Cute little coin purses. Good for lots of little things. Earbuds too. And we have a little Kawaii charm. Ooh, a pretty cinnamon charm, or purse bag charm, whatever you'd like to use it for. Oh, look at this kitty one. Little pom-poms there. Pretty beads. That's very sweet. And we have hair scrunchies. That's cute. I don't think I have anything with a little harder little piece on there. Miss Kitty wearing some glasses. Another pink Miffy wearing her glasses. I love the characters in their glasses. They look very sweet. My favorite thing, hair clips. Very sweet kitty. Hello, kitty. And a very adorable little Miss Kitty bag. I'm going to be donating these to the children at the shelter. We're going to fill those up and send them over for birthday gifts because we're doing a back to school project as well. Some little mini notebooks. Oh, look at this one with the gold on it. That's pretty neat. We have, oh, look, a little Wish Me Mel. Oh my goodness, if I can open it. Oh my gracious. Look at her. How cute. With her little scarf on. So fuzzy soft. It feels like fur, like real fur. Adorable. Thank you so much. A little Melody hairbrush. And we have some line box pens. Mechanical pens. Look at Leopard Kitty. Who has that one? First time I'm seeing it. Aw, look at that little piano. A little planner book. And that was my order. 2 Kawaii box. Cute kitty pencil case. Another Miffy pencil case. Oh my. A Miffy journal. How cute is that? But it has the soft cover on it. Oh, that's just too sweet. I love that. And we have a Miffy. A Miffy pencil bag. Very cute. Another little mechanical pencil. Miffy notebook. Miffy Life with her BFF. Handles. And we have a cute little twin star. Oh, this is going to be cute. Keychain. That's adorable. A little bear outfit. Order information. Ah, look at Kitty. Oh my goodness. It looks adorable there. Her little mitten. Oh my goodness. That's so sweet. And another little makeup bag. Kitty makeup bag. And then, ooh, yes! My other favorite things. I have a lot of favorite things, as you can tell. But I have to say, sticky notes, fuzzy socks, and tote bags. Ooh, this is a nice canvas. Every day is a good day. Adorable. Thank you so much. Please go check out, show some love to my very, very sweet friend over at Kawaii Komet with a K. And I'm going to tag her. Thank you so much.